Introducing Spacestor's Railway Carriage, the original plug-and-play collaboration hotspot. A revolutionary workspace solution which recognizes that a meeting room is often an expensive and sometimes formally disruptive overkill to a growing need just to talk to the right people right now. Designed with premium materials and built for longevity, Spacestor's Railway Carriage is trusted by many global companies such as Gymshark, AstraZeneca, and Fujitsu, who want the perfect blend of function and craftsmanship. No two spaces are the same. That's why Railway Carriage is available in over 300 million combinations. It has a huge range of finish options, accessories, and varying styles. Flat roof, pitched roof, open or closed configurations, and even a custom moonroof option. From small teams to larger meetings, our Railway Carriage fits seamlessly into your space. It's more space efficient than a traditional meeting room and can even integrate into an alcove for a seamless look. Let's take a closer look. Sustainability is built in. Our Railway Carriage is relocatable, reconfigurable, and 96% recyclable. A responsible choice for the future with the credentials such as the Declare label to back you up. Design your perfect Railway Carriage with Spacestor's online customizer and get your CAD files instantly. Leading brands trust Spacestor. Why? Because we deliver innovation, quality, and flexibility like no one else. Your perfect meeting space, designed your way. Visit Spacestor to design yours today.